In this video, I'll show you how to create a magical opening where icy frost spreads across the screen as if casting a spell and reveals your video underneath. Start by opening your project in CapCut Mobile and placing your video clip at the beginning of the timeline so the reveal feels intentional. Tap on the video clip to select it. From the bottom toolbar, tap on Animation to access the animation settings. Now, switch to the In tab, which controls how your video appears at the start. Scroll through the animation list until you find Frost Spell, then apply it. Once applied, frost-like textures move across the screen, revealing the video with a cold and cinematic effect. In CapCut Mobile, this animation is applied directly to the video clip, not as a separate layer. Use the duration slider to control how strong the frost spell feels. Shorter duration makes the effect sharp and dramatic. Longer duration slows it down, adding mystery and atmosphere. Preview the animation and adjust the timing so the frost motion flows smoothly with your visuals. And that's it. You've successfully added a frost spell reveal animation in CapCut Mobile. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more CapCut Mobile animation tutorials.